Hi, my name is Mary, and today let us talk about, does she wear thongs? Does she shave? And does she water? Alright, so yep, we all know that this is too common to Western women, but it's not common here in the Philippines due to our culture. Especially province girl find it odd to do, to wear, or to do. Like, however, I will tell you if she could do it or she wear them. So, okay, number one. Number one, does she wear thongs? Me personally, I love to receive a pair of luxury lingerie.